to welcome you to the kickoff of the 3rd Annual Dean's Health and Life Sciences Challenge.
Startups today, we think about biotech, we think about high tech and maybe, clean tech, all these kinds of things. But every generation has had the new emerging technology where nobody knows what the business model is and where nobody knows how to make it happen.
It was a couple of years ago. I was just a researcher with an invention and no idea what to do with it.
We are taking an innovative diagnostic platform and applying it to a problem that is costing not only hundreds of millions of healthcare dollars, but hundreds of thousands of lives. And that is resistance to HIV medications. The implementation of Panda HIV-6 has the potential to save hundreds of millions of healthcare dollars and increase access to the best HIV care to millions of patients around the world.
I know that you have been challenged with these ideas: devices and materials, diagnostics and population disease management, health IT and wearables, and prevention and safety.
When I was sitting where you are now, the thought of science, innovation and entrepreneurship was daunting, it was overwhelming. And I had a lot of assumptions that ultimately were false. It was after applying for the Dean's Challenge and going through a few months at the iLab and understanding what the process was all about that we really became comfortable with the idea of turning our little invention into a company.
The dedicated space here is really important as well, especially for scientists. We can find ourselves locked in the lab for long periods of time, and sometimes it's hard to pull yourself away and work on something like this. So we use the iLab as a dedicated space to come and work on our idea and our company, which was really invaluable for us.
It's a participatory event, and whether it be this challenge, whether it be more broadly workshops, and it's your own joining in that gives you the better probability of either meeting other individuals, whether that be your own idea you want to take forward, or developing a skill that you may take with you wherever you end up.
You might be looking for a reason to just pursue your idea and you're looking for the right moment. I mean, maybe use the Dean's Challenge as that kick in the pants to get you to move on your idea and start making a plan from it instead of just talking about it.
So if you have second thoughts, third thoughts about if you're able to do this or whether you can contribute anything to a Dean's Challenge team, do it. Just push those fears aside. That's what we did. I was a researcher with an invention and no interest in startups, and just by talking to a stranger and thinking outside my comfort zone did I really find something that I truly enjoy.
Plowing the new territory that nobody's ever been in before, I think it's a very exciting place to be.